Hello, today you are going to be finishing your mini project on the constant of proportionality. You're going to be finishing your project on the constant of proportionality. Just a reminder on what this project is, what this mini project is. You are planning a trip to 3 different cities in the US, or if you chose to, you could have had your cities be out of the country. You are going to take this trip twice, once with one kind of travel, the second time with a different kind of travel. For example, if all of your cities are in the state of Maine, maybe you walk to all the cities, then drive to all the cities. If your states are all over the world, maybe fly to the cities and then ride a boat to all the cities. 3 different cities, 2 different kinds of travel. Check, check. You are going to use online tools to find how far you'll go and how long it will take. That will tell you the time and the distance for each part of your trip. Each part of your trip. You need to find the time and distance it'll take. Now, time for the math part. To find the constant of proportionality in this project, you're kind of going to find the average speed. Average speed. Maybe that's miles per hour, kilometers per hour, feet per second. Whatever units you are choosing to do, it is going to be distance per time, or distance divided by time. To find the constant of proportionality in this project, you are going to do distance divided by time. That will give you your constants of proportionality, or your constant of proportionalities. If you chose to do 3 different cities and 2 different ways of travel, you will be finding 4 total constant of proportionalities because there would be 4 different legs in your journey. After you find the constants of proportionality, you are going to graph your findings on a standard graph. There is a graphing whiteboard IFX. You can also draw your own graph. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going to show you an example of what that might look like. Zoom in a bit. Numbers are a little blurry, but I have a feeling you will get the gist. So we start at 0. 0 times, 0 miles. Yep, 0 times, 0 miles. So after 1 hour of driving, how many miles did you go? So if this is my time, the x-axis is time, the y-axis is miles. After 1 hour, maybe you walked 4 miles. After 2 hours, maybe you walked 8 miles. And then 3 would be the number 12. But this is enough info. So I'm going to draw my line. Try to make it as straight as possible, and then draw an arrow pointing up into forever. Now, the second time I do my trip, I'm going to, so I'm saying, like maybe I start in Augusta, Maine, and I go to, this line is showing me walking from Augusta, Maine to Portland, Maine. I'm walking. Then the next time I drive, driving is going to be green. After 1 hour of driving, maybe I go 60 miles. Oh no, my line's going to be so straight. It's like all the way up. So my line maybe goes on this graph, doesn't even touch number 1 yet. I would have to keep going up, 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 or change the units I have. Instead of maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe the up and down lines are counting up by 10 or counting up by 100. Maybe you get to choose. what your units are on this graph. And you would make a line for each leg of your journey. You're going to have super steep lines and not so steep lines, kind of like this graph. Like I said yesterday, this graph is going to be kind of like a warm-up for our graphing lessons in the future, starting next week. So if you don't get the graph done or you're super confused by it, that is okay. Just turn in whatever you can. When you finish your project at the end of class, make sure to take a picture of your work, save that picture to cloud files, then watch this Mr. Burcham Math Videos YouTube channel video right here. How to turn in a picture from VR. Okay, this video can be found from, let me show you how your channel. If you click on playlists on my channel, go to the how to help videos. It is the third video in that playlist, how to turn in a picture from VR. Watch that video. That video will take you the rest of the way after you have taken a picture and saved that picture to cloud files. This picture will help you turn in the rest of your work. Good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know in a Canvas message and I will get to it as soon as I can. I hope you have fun. Bye.